Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Bluetooth pairing issues in this device. So if you can't pair your earbuds with your phone and you don't know why, the first thing that they recommend to do is to close the case of your earbuds and just restart your device. So what to do? At first, hold the power and volume up and move this red circle to this reboot button. Now your phone will restart and everything should be working nice after that. If it doesn't work still, you need to try to pair your headphones to a different device to check if they work. If they don't work still, you need to contact device support because your device may be just broken. There is no actually software thing we can do. But if they work, the issue is on your phone. But the thing we can do, another thing we can do with our earbuds, is that you need to try to charge them up to 100%. So leave them plugged into your power outlet for at least 3 hours and check if everything is working fine after that. If it doesn't work fine still, you need to, as I said, contact the device support because something may be broken. And actually, I want to wait until the phone turns on, but no, okay. So everything should be now working fine. If it doesn't, contact device support. And have a nice day and goodbye.